Where clause. In this video, we will learn what is where clause and operators in the where clause. So what is where clause? In our previous video, we had seen how to fetch records using select statement. So when we use select statement, in that case, we fetched all the records from that table. So sometimes we have some situation that we want to fetch only some specific records or rows. In that case, we use where clause. So what is the role of where clause? We use where clause to apply filter on select statement. So here you can see the syntax of select statement. Select, then columns name, from, table name, then where, and then condition, right? Now let's see how can we do this in SQL Server. So let's open the new query editor, and from here we will select database. So inside this we have this table human resource dot employee, and we have all these column in this table. So for applying where clause, we will use this job title. So first check what is the value in job title. So select, and here I'll use business entity ID, national number, job title, marital status, from human resources dot employee. All right. Now select this and execute this. So you can see we had fetched selected columns and all the rows has been fetched, right? You can see it's a 290 rows. So if you want to apply filter on this, like, so if you want to see some specific rows, in that case we will use where clause. So now my condition is I want to fetch only those rows which is having design engineer value in job title, right? So how to fetch that? So here we have this query, and I'll use where clause here, where job title equal to, and here I'll use this, you can copy from here and paste here, job title design engineer. All right. So my query is select, then columns name, from human resource dot employee where job title is this. Now select this and execute this. See, we only fetched 3 rows out of 290 rows. All right. So this is how you can apply filter in your select query. So right now I just applied filter on varchar type of data type. If you want to apply on numeric column, you can apply that too. Like we have this vacation hours. If I want to fetch those records which are having more than 20 vacation hours, so for that how we will use, I will use the same query, copy this and paste this. So here we have all these column. Let's use this column as well, vacation hour. All right. Now here where vacation hours greater than 20. All right. Now select this and execute this. Right. Now we have fetched 230 rows. So you can see all these rows are having more than 20 vacation hours. All right. So this is how you can use where clause in select statement. Operators in where clause. Equal to operator, greater than operator, less than operator, less than equal to operator, less than equal to operator, not equal to operator, between and like and in operator. We had just seen these two operators, equal to and greater than. Now let's see some of other operators as well. So let's check in SQL Server. So here we had just used this greater than operator. You can use other operators as well. Like if you want to use less than, so I just copy this and I paste this, and here I used less than 50. Alright, so the data will fetch which is less than 50 vacation hours. Select this and execute this. See, all the data has been fetched which is less than 50 vacation hours. Alright, so this is how you can use your less than operator. So if you want to fetch those records which are between 20 to 50 vacation hours, and in that 20 and 50 should be included. Like here 20 is not included, it's more than 20 and less than 50. Here 50 is not included, right? So if you want to include 20 and 50 in those records, so how to do that? Select job title, organization level, birth date, vacation hours from human resources dot employ where vacation hours greater than equal to 20 and vacation hours less than equal to 50. All right, now select this and execute this, right? So here we had fetched all the records which are having less than 50 and greater than 20. So here you can say we have also that record which is having 50 vacation hours. So in our previous query we just used less than 50, so in that case 50 was not included, right? Now here we used less than equal to 50, so in this case 50 is also included, and greater than 20, 20 is also included. So you can see this value also has been fetched which is having 20 vacation hours. So at the place of greater than equal to and less than equal to, we have one more operator. We can use that. So how to use that? Here, after where we use this column name and then between 20 and 50. Alright. And this is equal to greater than 20 and less than 50. Alright, now select this and execute this. You will fetch same rows. Alright, so we can use this as well. Here we have to use 2 times this column name, and here we just need to pass the range, that 20 and 50. So it will fetch all the values which is between 20 to 50, and 20 and 50 also included in that range. Alright, okay. Now our next operator is in operator. So how to use that in operator? Select national ID number, comma, login ID number, then job title from human resources dot employ. All right, where job title in, and inside the parenthesis we will pass all those value which I want to fetch, right? So here I'll pass in single quotes that senior tool designer, and I'll pass this marketing specialist. So this query will return all the records which is having senior tool designer and marketing specialist value in job title column. Now select this and execute this. So you can see all the records has been fetched which is having senior tool designer and marketing specialist value in job title column. Alright, so this is your in operator. Okay, we have one like operator as well. Select birth date, login ID, job title from human resources dot employee where job title, like here we will use some wild character. Wild character is like special character, like I'll use that percent sign. Alright, so like here I'll use percent, percent, and here I'll use this designer. What does that mean? Percent designer percent. Anywhere in job title column, if it find designer, it will fetch those records. So select this and execute this. See, senior tool designer and tool designer. All right. Now let's use one more query. I'll copy this and paste this. Now I use here person manager. All right. Select this and execute this. So all those records which are ending on manager, right? Those records has been fetched. Here you can see all these are manager, ending with manager, right? So those records has been fetched. If I use this percent at the end of the word, it will fetch whatever is started with that particular value. Like if I copy this and paste, and if here I use network and then percent, so it will return all the values which is starting from network. Select this and execute. See, so it fetched all the rows which are starting from network. All right, so these all are some operators which we can use with where clause. So what we had learned in this tutorial, we had learned what is where clause and how to use where clause with select statement, and we had also seen some working of operators with where clause. Thank you.